Hi folks, Christopher Hobbs, and I'm looking at the St. John's wort in my front yard, which is Hypericum perforatum. I'm going to do several reels on St. John's wort because it is such an incredible plant that is so important for many different things. I always have it in my medicine chest. It's in my toilet kit. It's in my kitchen. I carry it in my pocket. So I always have it on hand, and I'm going to go into the details in the next reel about all its wonderful uses. Hopefully you have it growing near you. It can get out of hand, it can grow wild, and I've got it all over the Sierra foothills here. But Hypericum perforatum, Hypericum because they think that it came from hyper-icon, which means that they hung the St. John's wort up above religious icons. So they revered it for its magical properties, and perforatum because the leaves, if you hold them up, have little perforations in them.